What's up, people? We're here in Belleville. The property looks unbelievable. We're doing the roof today. We're going to show you some drone footage of that. So we're really excited to be going up to the third floor to see the new square footage in addition to whatever we already put up. We're gonna put in the windows on Friday or Saturday, and then the siding comes in next week. I'm gonna show you the before and after videos. Okay, tú primero. Caesar, what are you laughing for?
Sketchy.
He's holding the ladder. So we're up on the third floor. This didn't exist. We were able to raise the roof all the way up to 35 feet. He didn't have anything up here. So now he has two massive rooms. These rooms are big, the ceilings are high. I'm 5'11", almost 6 foot tall. And look, I mean, the center is probably like 10, 15 feet. Even on the sides, I have enough space. This is so exciting. I can't wait to show Albert the third floor. He hasn't been up. This is the first time we come up here. I use the ladder because we don't have stairs from the second floor to the third floor because everything is brand new. But we're really excited. What do you think? You want to build something like this? You want to increase your square footage by going up as high as you can? Call us, we'll help you out. Boom!